Hey guys, I've got another Bible journaling kit for you to check out. So I am so loving this blue color palette. So if you were looking for some gift ideas for the holidays for maybe some ladies in your Bible study group, or maybe you just want to, start Bible journaling and you're not sure what all you need to buy, this is a really great starter kit. So the first thing I love about this kit is the bag. This is the first bag I've found in a kit like this that actually has a handle. So you have a small zipper packet here, a larger one here, and this one here, but you can carry it. Most of the other bags, you just kind of hold it like this. Everything in here is going to fit inside this bag. So let's take a look. So we've got a whole bunch of really nice stickers here. And then we have, you can see them inside here, but these, let me see if I can do that, can I show you? There we go. Cross-shaped paper clips in the color blue. We have 3 different sizes of sticky notes. You have your square, your small rectangle, and your larger rectangle. We have 3 different shades of blue washi tape. Here are your, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colored pens. So these are the colored ink, which is super important for taking notes, writing in the margins, things like that. I'm gonna see those there. Now, these are actually black ink. The color of the pen itself is different shades of blue, but the ink on these is black. We have a couple of markers here, so a dark blue and a black marker. Look at these Bible tabs, y'all. Look how beautiful this blue color palette is. I mean, seriously, this blue color palette is just so pretty. A notepad or notebook. So it's just lined journaling pages here. And then you have your tabs, the translucent sticky tabs. And of course, 12 highlighters. So these are the chisel tip, perfect size for highlighting in your actual Bible, the different verses and so forth. So yeah, overall, I mean, I think this is a really, like I said, a great starter kit, perfect gift idea. This is, y'all, I've just been going crazy buying the Bible journaling kits for some reason. So all of my friends and family are going to be getting some variation of this for the holidays. But overall, I think this is a really great starter kit, and bonus if blue is your favorite color.